y'all, this MS Mayweather here, and this is No Makeup Saturday. As you guys know, if you watch my IG, which please follow me on my Instagram at MS Mayweather, because I do, I do updates and stuff there, and I feel like I can keep up with y'all when y'all post a YouTube video better there, because I have, like for YouTubers that I like and small YouTubers and just only a handful, like I said, of big YouTubers, I have, like with me hitting the notification bell, I can't see everybody's updates for some reason. I don't know if that happened to all y'all. Let me know if that happened to all y'all, but that happens to me. So it's easier to follow follow me on YouTube, where I can see the updates, and also follow me on IG. Because if y'all follow me on IG as well as YouTube, just in case I don't see y'all on YouTube, I see y'all on IG. That don't mean that y'all don't follow me on YouTube, only IG, because I will know. And you do me wrong, I do you wrong. Best believe. But anyways, follow me at MS Mayweather on IG. Or is either, I know it's MS Mayweather, but it is either MS Mayweather or MS Mayweather Mukbangs. I always say it wrong, y'all. But anyway, but follow me on there. And it's easier for me to, and then when y'all do a little post or whatever, but like preview, or my video is coming up, my video been posted, I always go through all my IG page. So if you following me already on YouTube and you follow me on IG, in case I don't see it on YouTube, then I'll see it on IG. And I always support. I leave comments. I don't care if it's a short comment. Don't be offended if it's not a long comment, because a comment is a comment, and you still, in good standards with that, and I hope you do the same. I'm not going to ask you to do the same, but I hope in your heart that you do the same thing for me as I do to you, because you know that we are both, struggling YouTubers or upcoming YouTubers. Let's stick together. So anyways, y'all, y'all know I like seafood. Y'all know I like mussels. So I have mussels right here, and I have corn, and I have, like my sauce. It's not just like I said, I give homage to beloved sauce, but besides the onions and the garlic and the butter, my sauce is a little different, because I don't like all the, try not to eat a lot of sweets. That's what I'm saying, because I try to stay away from a lot of sugar. So when I do have a lot, like sugar, like the brown sugar and stuff, or anything like sugary that's in the sauce, I kind of get a headache. So I don't put sugar in my end, and I put totally different seasonings in there, but I do pay homage and I appreciate beloved, starting off the garlic, the different type of butter sauce, for us to add our own. And so once again, I have mussels, I have corn, I have garlic butter sauce with my seasonings in it, and I have some baked chicken, and I have boiled eggs, and I have cucumbers, and then I have one jalapeno, because I like hot stuff. I got hot stuff in my sauce too. And then I have pineapples, and then I have like the hot sauce. I want to taste beloved sauce, but I do like this sauce besides that. So I'm going to go into prayers and let's get started. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that you have blessed me with. And please bless everybody around the world to be financially stable, to have some food. And even if they're not, help them get some food in some kind of way, Jesus, and nourishment in their body. In Jesus' name, pray. Amen. All right, y'all, it is time to eat, because I'm hungry. Y'all, I'm so hungry. I just washed my hair. I ain't even put my, what's the name of the hair, but oh well. I ain't put my tray. I don't know, y'all. I love this hot sauce on my cucumbers and then dip it in the sauce. I don't know. I like it. And plus, I'm making this for me. No makeup Saturday. Oh, no nothing. If y'all on my IG page, y'all seen that I tried like a matte foundation. I got water in here. But I don't know, it felt fine, but towards the end of the day, I don't like it was sinking in. And it made my skin feel funny when I was washing it off. So I was like, not liking that. Because if y'all follow my IG, MS Mayweather, Mukbang's like, I don't like dark spots up in here, and my skin is lighter up in here. So I want to try it to even out all my skin tone. So I tried it, but I just tried like a matte foundation. But I want to get my face like professionally done. So if you do good makeup, so I can find out the colors that go on my skin, and you got reasonable prices in, you know, the Michigan, Grand Rapids, Michigan area, hit me up in my messenger. Trying to be neat today because y'all know once again I ain't grabbing them. Have my top on. I just didn't want to put nothing on major because sometimes my hair be dripping. But I don't be wanting to drip on my regular shirt. Y'all feel that juice fall out of there? Dang. That jalapeno pepper was juicy. I had a late start today, y'all. I've been going to sleep late for some reason at work, knowing I have to get up late and start getting started with my day at like 7:30 in the morning. For some reason, I ain't been going to sleep till like 1 and 2 o'clock in the morning, stirring this around because I like the season to be stirred around. And I used a different butter today. So with using that different butter, sometimes the seasoning goes to the bottom, and I want to taste it all. I'm going back to my normal butter though. I just went to a closer grocery store that don't sell the butter of the normal grocery store that I go to. I usually, I had a different unscented butter, but I usually get the unscented butter that B-Love has for her sauce. But how y'all doing today? This afternoon, this evening? I hope y'all doing well. One of y'all see my shirt because I don't want y'all to think I don't have a top on. Some people wear Sleeveless tops. Corn. Hope I don't spill this all over, especially since I don't got nothing. I swear, the corn soak up all the seasonings, y'all. Excuse me if y'all see still water in my hair. I was hungry. Right after the shower. I'm gonna leave that in there. If y'all live in the Michigan area, they got so many good deals on mussels. I ain't had no shrimp today. Feel like going to the grocery store. This stuff is the bomb on cucumbers. I tell y'all, the bomb. Y'all, I was so mad today, earlier. Because I don't know what happened to, okay, years back, when I was in my 20s, I used to own my own animal grooming shop. That's something that I wanted to do when I was little. And I said I was going to do it when I was older, which I accomplished. I feel like if it's stuff you want to do when you're little and you say you want to do it, you know, when you're older, accomplish it. You know, I didn't stay with it. I do it every once in a while now, but at least I accomplished it. Anyway. I used to have my own animal grooming shop. That's something I wanted to have as a kid. Thanks to my mom and dad, they helped me. I bought all the equipment. And I bought the boat of the money to rent the shop out, like fix it up. And I was working hard in there. I took the carpeting out. I put the towel in. And everything else. And my mom and dad helped me to start it up. Which I thank them for. And I did it for a little over a year. When I was in my 20s. The reason I stopped because I live in Michigan and the economy wasn't doing too good. I had room for other groomers to be in the shop, but a lot of people was doing it out of their garage and their house and stuff because it was cheaper, which I would have charged reasonable prices for them to rent it out. For them to rent their space out. But it was what it was. Stirring this up, y'all. Ooh. I caught some heat up in that, y'all. Woo. I caught some serious cayenne up in there. So good. I swear that corn soak up everything. That corn is done. Ooh. I ran my own shop for a little over here. I was doing pretty good, but I couldn't get more people to rent out the booths. Because a lot of people was renting out that, you know, or doing their house or garage. So I felt like I had to pay $600 for the rent. And I felt like about time I paid the rent or the utilities. I barely had anything left over. Mind you, I worked that full time and I worked part-time. At my job when I was a CNA. This is when I was in my 20s. But I was making it, y'all. I was striving. I was like, I got this. Plus, on top of that, I had a little baby. That I was taking care of. Which is my oldest son, Steve LaFlame. Yeah, I have teenagers or young adults. Go follow him. He got a lot of funny videos, a lot of popular videos for their generation. I support my baby because that's my baby, and he do have funny videos that I like to watch. Like I said, I don't watch them all because I'm his mom, and there's some that I don't watch. Y'all see all that garlic and onions on there? Hold on one second. Look at all that, y'all. Oh, it fell. Look at all that. But y'all go make sure y'all follow my son, Steve LaFlame. A lot of young adults like him, teenagers and young adults like my baby. Care if he doesn't need 20, that's still my baby. I'll be stirring it, y'all. But yeah. But let me get back what I was mad about. The reason I was mad because I can't find my animal grooming license and certification. I was all proud. I had it framed and everything. And I can't find it. So I'm gonna keep on looking for it. Keep on looking for it till I find it. I wanted to post on my Facebook that I groom. I'm back to grooming some dogs. Whew. So, yeah, about time I was making the money. And I ain't have nobody rent it out because they was doing it out their house. I was basically making money and paying rent. And I wasn't really making a profit. So, then I started doing it out of my apartment that I had at the time. So I was grooming out of my apartment. I closed the business down and I started grooming out of my apartment. And I was doing that for a while and working part-time. Then I lost the passion for it. But I want to, I still groom my mom's dog, but I want to start back just doing it for others as a side hustle. So that's what I'm trying to do at this moment. But I didn't want to show people that I'm licensed in it. Let them know you're working with no amateur here. Y'all, when I'm at home, I be wanting to feel just comfortable. So a lot of times y'all see me tank tops or t-shirts. So I'm home. Not be chill. But that's another jewel that y'all learned about me. And let me know if y'all stayed on the video long enough to find that jewel. Tell me a jewel about me. Because later on, letting y'all know, because I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers. I'm a little over 100. I'm a little bit over 100 subscribers. And I'm trying to get to 500. When I get to 500, I'm going to give away a little surprise. It ain't a whole lot. It builds over time. Y'all know that, you know, as I build, y'all build. So I'm going to do like I'm not asking for money. I'm going to do a $10 cash app to somebody. When I get to 500. When I get to 1K, I'm doing 25, and we gonna, you know, go up little by little from there. But yeah, I need to give me the 500, and you got to comment, give me the 500 comment, and then follow my Instagram. And after this, I'm barely gonna say it. Because if you ain't watched this video, then okay, you can't get it. So you gotta like, comment, subscribe, share my video, which I will know if you did all those things, and follow my IG. And say something nice in my comments. And I'm going to pick from this and random videos who's going to get the money. But I'm going to know if you truly deserve it and you truly ride or die. And you truly down for me by doing those things. I had just posted on my Facebook yesterday. I got 700 and some people on my Facebook. And most of them family. But yeah, riddle me this. I have 100 and some subscribers. And most of y'all are from the Mukbang family, which I appreciate. But, hear me again, my personal Facebook page, I have 700 and some people on my Facebook page. And most of them are family. Some are friends from high school. Some are co-workers, which I know a lot of my co-workers plan on supporting because they told me, because they said they want to be in the Mukbang videos and provide, you know, the food for it, which I appreciate. Look, for it to be family members, most co-workers, or people that I've been cool with, or people that know, or even if it's a few people that like me. Like, what's wrong with showing support on YouTube? It's free. Why don't they have 100 and some subscribers when I have 700 and some people on my Facebook? Because I'm usually picky about who's on my Facebook. And even on my IG. I have 100 and some people on my IG. And they're on my YouTube page. But yet, I have 100 and some on my YouTube page. So that means people that's on my IG is the most that's following me, which is in the Mukbang community. I tell you. So when I go live a lot of times in the morning, or not live, but I post on my IG and I post on my Facebook in the morning time, just like I said, for close family that was there for me, or the few friends that was there for me and shared my video and gave me encouragement when I was, you know, feeling down and discouraged, I got y'all. If I become big, I got y'all. But just like the ones that been watching me, hating on me, not being supportive towards me, not being there when I needed, not even checking on me and stuff, I got y'all too. Love everybody, but I know how to treat everybody. Just saying. Because ain't no way. Ain't no way I'm finna work my doggone butt off and build and network, meet new people, and market myself and all that, and build little by little. No type of support from the people that I thought was close to me. Ain't no way that I'm finna build And then all of a sudden they be like, I know you, I know you. I know her. I know you kin to me. I'm like, okay, whatever. Now you know me. Now we family. Now we've been cool since high school. Okay, we'll see. Now we like close co-workers than ever. That sauce even tastes good on the eggs. Now I ain't trying to be like, I'm a very nice person. I ain't trying to be mean or anything like that. I'm just saying I'm not a fool. I'm not fake. And I don't fall for it. All the fakeness. I'm not down with it. My heart is genuine. And let y'all know, if I don't, just like I told you at the beginning, if I don't see all y'all notifications on YouTube and you, if I ain't seen, if I ain't seen all y'all notifications on YouTube, and y'all feel like I ain't, send no comments like I usually do on your video, hit me up in my DM. Send it to me in my DM. Say, can you check this out? That's what some of my people that I'm real close to on YouTube, I'll send it in y'all messenger too. Or post updates on your Instagram. Make sure we following each other. Then I look at them and I check them out. I'm getting full. Y'all be cracking up, y'all, because my boyfriend, he like to keep his hands and stuff real clean and stuff while eating. He don't like nothing dripping. He's like, it'd be hard for me to watch those videos. And I be telling them, but that's how it is. When I do mukbangs, you gotta get through that. But they be so good. Especially when it's soaked into this corn. Good. Turn it up. This corn ain't stand a chance. Look at my chin. So, wiping my hands. I want to challenge y'all, and especially the women out there, even the men, that wear any type of makeup on a YouTube video. Let's do a no makeup Saturday. The lipstick gonna come off anyway when you eat them. So, oh shoot, did I spill some? Oh man, Dude, that's why I'll be liking to wear nice tops or just even all right tops, because the doggone juice always get on the top. I be trying to eat super neat, y'all. I be trying to eat super neat. I don't know how Beloved be going without getting nothing on her fancy tops. But I always get some on whatever I'm wearing. I don't know why. But I challenge y'all to, you know, recognize the beauty and the skin you're in. And let's do a no makeup Saturday. It don't have to be every Saturday. Let's do it every other no makeup Saturday. I probably do it every makeup I probably do it every non-makeup Saturday, because I don't wear makeup like that anyway. I mostly wear lipstick, and that's the only makeup that I wear. But let's do a no makeup Saturday. No lipstick. You see? No makeup, as you see. None. So my hair is still wet, so it's still dripping. So, you know, I'm just loving the skin I'm in, you know, and I want y'all to love the skin y'all in too. So thank y'all for watching. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all for listening and watching. I think it's still called a seafood boil. I just put seafood boil / chicken. Fried chicken. So thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe this video. And love y'all, and thank y'all for watching. All right, bye.
Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so